In today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace can feel like an uphill battle. In this video, we'll explore 7 ancient techniques from Buddhism that can help cultivate tranquility and emotional mastery. From mindfulness meditation to loving-kindness practices, these methods offer timeless wisdom for navigating modern life's chaos. Each technique not only promotes self-awareness but also fosters a deeper connection to our emotions. Join us as we delve into these powerful practices that can transform your mental landscape and guide you toward a more peaceful existence. Understanding inner peace. Inner peace is a state of mental and emotional calmness, free from anxiety and stress. In Buddhist philosophy, it is seen as essential for mental well-being and a crucial step on the path to enlightenment. Achieving inner peace allows individuals to cultivate clarity, compassion, and resilience, enabling them to navigate life's challenges with grace. Buddhism teaches that by letting go of attachments and practicing mindfulness, one can experience profound tranquility. The benefits of inner peace extend into daily life, enhancing relationships, decision-making, and overall happiness, making it a vital pursuit for everyone. Technique 1: Mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is a simple yet powerful technique that involves focusing on your breath to anchor your awareness in the present moment. To practice, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take deep, slow breaths, paying attention to the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. This practice has calming effects, helping to reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and clarity. By incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine, even for just a few minutes, you can cultivate a sense of peace and resilience that enhances your overall well-being. Technique 2: Meditation. Meditation is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice, encompassing various forms such as Zen, Vipassana, and loving-kindness meditation. Each method offers unique benefits, but all share the goal of fostering mental clarity and emotional stability. Through regular meditation, practitioners can cultivate a deeper understanding of their thoughts and feelings, leading to transformative personal growth. For beginners, starting with just a few minutes each day can make a difference. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath or a mantra. With patience and consistency, you'll soon experience the profound benefits of meditation. Technique 3: Loving-kindness, metta, meditation. Loving-kindness meditation, or metta, is a practice rooted in the principles of compassion and goodwill towards oneself and others. In Buddhism, it is essential for cultivating a loving heart and fostering positive relationships. By silently repeating phrases of kindness and well-wishing, practitioners can develop empathy and compassion, not only for loved ones but also for those they may find challenging. This technique can significantly enhance emotional connections and reduce feelings of resentment. I encourage you to incorporate loving-kindness meditation into your routine, as it can transform your perspective and enrich your interactions with others. Technique 4: Mindful walking. Mindful walking is a beautiful practice that allows you to connect with the present moment while engaging in movement. This technique involves walking slowly and deliberately, paying attention to each step and the sensations in your body. As you walk, focus on your breath and the environment around you, which enhances your awareness of both your surroundings and your inner self. The grounding effects of mindful walking can help reduce stress and promote clarity. I encourage you to practice mindful walking in nature, where the sights and sounds can deepen your connection to the world and yourself. Technique 5: Gratitude practice. Gratitude practice is a powerful technique for cultivating inner peace by shifting your focus from negativity to positivity. By consciously acknowledging the good in your life, you can foster a more optimistic mindset. Maintaining a gratitude journal is an effective way to reap psychological benefits, such as reduced stress and increased happiness. Simply jotting down a few things you're thankful for each day can transform your perspective. I encourage you to express gratitude daily, whether through journaling or sharing your appreciation with others, as this practice can significantly enhance your overall well-being and sense of peace. Technique 6: Letting go of attachments. In Buddhism, attachments are seen as a primary source of suffering, as they create a false sense of security and control. Letting go of these attachments is essential for achieving inner peace. To begin this process, identify unhealthy attachments in your life, whether they are to people, possessions, or outcomes. Reflect on how these attachments affect your happiness. Practical steps include practicing mindfulness and embracing the concept of impermanence, recognizing that everything is transient. I encourage you to embrace this mindset, as releasing attachments can lead to greater freedom and a deeper sense of peace. Technique 7. Mindful Eating. Mindful eating is a practice that encourages awareness and appreciation of the food we consume. This technique involves slowing down during meals, savoring each bite, and paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. By doing so, you can enhance your overall health, as it promotes better digestion and helps prevent overeating. Mindful eating also fosters a deeper connection with both the food and yourself, encouraging gratitude for the nourishment you receive. I encourage you to practice mindful eating during your meals, as it can transform your relationship with food and enhance your well-being. Conclusion. In this video, we explored 7 ancient techniques for cultivating inner peace: mindful breathing, meditation, loving-kindness meditation, mindful walking, gratitude practice, letting go of attachments, and mindful eating. Each of these practices offers unique benefits that can significantly enhance your mental and emotional well-being. Integrating these techniques into your daily life can lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Together, let's spread the wisdom of these practices and support each other on the journey to inner peace.